What up, hustlers and dream chasers? It's your boy, Alexander Todorov, here to drop some serious knowledge bombs on your screens. Want to make money online but don't have any capital? No worries. We've all been there, staring at our bank accounts like they've personally offended us. But guess what? Today, I'm going to show you real ways to earn online without spending a dime. That's right, you heard me. No more excuses about needing money to make money. We're diving headfirst into the world of online opportunities where your hustle is the only investment that matters. Get ready to unlock the secrets to financial freedom, because after this video, your wallet's going to be singing a whole new tune. Alright fam, let's kick things off with a classic freelancing. This is like the OG way to make money online, and for good reason. Freelancing offers flexibility, freedom, and the chance to be your own boss. Whether you're a word wizard, a design ninja, or a social media guru, there's a freelance gig out there with your name on it. The variety of opportunities is endless. Think of it like this. You have skills, people need those skills, and platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and People Per Hour are where the magic happens. These platforms connect you with clients from all over the world. Signing up is easier than convincing your friend to split the bill when they ordered more food. Just a few clicks and you're ready to start. Just create a profile, showcase your talents, and boom, you're in business. Make sure to highlight your best work and skills. And hey, if you're thinking, but Lily, I'm no expert. First of all, stop comparing yourself to me. I'm a unicorn. Second, there are gigs for every level, from beginner to Beyoncé. Now let's talk strategy. To really crush the freelance game, focus on skills that are in high demand. Research what clients are looking for and tailor your services accordingly. Writing, graphic design, social media management. These are all areas where businesses are constantly looking for talented folks like you. But don't limit yourself. Explore other niches too. And the best part? You can literally work from anywhere in your pajamas. Imagine sipping coffee in your favorite cafe while getting paid. Oh, and did I mention the earning potential? We're talking anywhere from $100 to $500 per week, depending on your hustle and the type of gigs you snag. Some freelancers even make thousands. Not too shabby for working from your couch, right? Plus, you get to set your own schedule and choose the projects you love. Here's a pro tip. Use tools like ChatGPT to help you brainstorm content ideas, Canva to create stunning visuals, and Grammarly to make sure your writing is on point. These tools can save you time and enhance your work quality. These tools are like having a whole team of assistants at your fingertips, and they can seriously up your freelancing game. So what are you waiting for? Dive into the world of freelancing and start turning your skills into paychecks today. Hold up, fam, because this next method is about to blow your minds. Print on demand. Imagine this. You create a killer design once, and it keeps making you money passively, even while you sleep, eat pizza, or binge watch your favorite shows. It's like having a money-making machine that never stops. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's about to become your reality. You don't need to be a professional artist or designer to get started. All you need is a bit of creativity and the willingness to learn. With print-on-demand platforms like Printify and Redbubble, you can sell custom merchandise like t-shirts, mugs, posters, and more without ever having to touch inventory or deal with shipping. These platforms make it incredibly easy to turn your ideas into products. It's like having your own online store without the headaches. No need to worry about stock, packaging, or delivery logistics. Here's how it works. You create a design. It could be anything from a funny quote to a stunning piece of artwork, and upload it to the platform. The platform then takes care of the rest. Then, you set your prices and start promoting your products. You have full control over how much you want to charge for your designs. When someone buys something, the platform handles everything else: printing, packaging, shipping, the whole shebang. You just sit back and watch the orders come in. The best part? You can start with zero investment. That's right. You don't need any upfront capital to get started. Just sign up for a free account and let your creativity run wild. The more unique and appealing your designs, the better your chances of making sales. Promote your designs on social media platforms like Instagram, Pinterest, and TikTok, and watch the orders roll in. Social media is a powerful tool to reach a wide audience. And the earning potential? It's pretty impressive. We're talking anywhere from $50 to $500 per month in passive income, and that's just the beginning. As you gain more followers and customers, your earnings can grow exponentially. As you build your brand and attract more customers, the sky's the limit. So what are you waiting for? Start designing your way to passive income today. All right, my savvy entrepreneurs, let's talk about affiliate marketing, the art of getting paid to recommend products you love. This is one of the most powerful ways to make money online, and it's all about leveraging your influence and audience. Think about it. You're already recommending products and services to your friends and family all the time, right? Well, with affiliate marketing, you can get paid for those recommendations. Here's the deal. You sign up for an affiliate program like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or Impact, and choose products that resonate with your audience. Then you get a unique affiliate link for each product, which you can share on your website, blog, social media, or even in emails. Now here's where the magic happens. Every time someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. It's like getting a little thank you gift for spreading the word about awesome products. The best part? There's no limit to how much you can earn. The more traffic you drive to your affiliate links, the more sales you'll make, and the more money you'll earn. It's a win-win situation. Chapter 4. Digital Products. Create once, sell forever. Calling all creators and knowledge sharers. Whether you're an artist, a writer, a teacher, or an entrepreneur, there's a way for you to share your expertise with the world. If you're looking for a way to package your expertise and sell it online, then creating and selling digital products is your golden ticket. This is a fantastic opportunity to turn your passion into profit. Think about it. What are you passionate about? What topics light you up and make you excited to share with others? What do you know a lot about? Your unique knowledge and skills are valuable, and there's someone out there who wants to learn from you. Could you teach someone else how to do something you're good at? Whether it's a hobby, a professional skill, or a life lesson, your expertise can be transformed into a digital product. If you answered yes to any of these questions, then you have what it takes to create a digital product. We're talking ebooks, online courses, templates, printables, and more. The digital world is vast, and the types of products you can create are only limited by your imagination. The possibilities are endless, and the best part is that you only have to create the product once, and then you can sell it over and over again. This means you can generate passive income while focusing on other projects or simply enjoying life. Here's how to get started. First, choose a topic that you're passionate about and that you know a lot about. This will ensure that you stay motivated and produce high-quality content. Then, create a high-quality digital product that provides value to your audience. Think about what problems you can solve or what knowledge you can share that will make a difference in their lives. This could be an ebook packed with valuable information, an online course that teaches a specific skill, or a set of templates that make life easier. Once your product is ready, you can sell it on platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, or Payhip. These platforms make it easy to reach a global audience and manage your sales. Promote it on social media, your website, or through email marketing. The more you share your product, the more potential customers you can reach. And watch the sales roll in. With dedication and creativity, you can turn your knowledge into a thriving digital product business. All right, my camera shy friends, this one's for you. Did you know you can crush it on YouTube without ever showing your face? That's right. With YouTube automation, you can create engaging and informative videos that rake in views and revenue while you focus on other things. Here's the secret sauce. Instead of filming yourself, you can use a combination of royalty-free footage, animations, and AI voiceovers to create high-quality videos that captivate your audience. Start by choosing a niche that you're passionate about and that has a large audience on YouTube. Then create a series of videos that provide value to your viewers. This could be anything from tutorials and how-to guides to product reviews and top 10 lists. Once you have a few videos ready to go, it's time to optimize them for search and promote them on social media. With a little effort, you can start generating passive income from your YouTube channel in no time. Need some extra cash in a flash? Microtasks and surveys are your new best friends. These are quick and easy ways to earn a few bucks here and there, and they're perfect for those times when you have a few spare minutes. Platforms like Swagbucks and Remotasks offer a variety of microtasks, such as watching videos, taking surveys, and completing small data entry jobs. You won't get rich doing these, but they're a great way to earn some extra spending money or supplement your income. And there you have it, my fellow hustlers. We've covered a ton of ground today, from freelancing and print on demand to affiliate marketing and YouTube automation. Now it's time to take action. Which method are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more money-making tips and tricks. Remember, the only thing standing between you and your online empire is taking that first step. So, what are you waiting for? Get out there and start building your dream today. Alright fam, let's be real for a second. We all know that make money online thing can sound kinda sus, like those late night infomercials promising you'll be swimming in cash by just blinking. But here's the thing, making real money online takes real work, but it's totally doable, especially with the strategies I just dropped on you. So, whether you're trying to side hustle your way to a Gucci belt or build a full-blown online empire, remember this, your hustle is your superpower. Embrace it, nurture it, and watch your bank account flourish like never before. Now go out there, make some money moves, and as always, stay fierce, stay fabulous, and stay tuned for more epicness coming soon. Peace out.